Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who spends a lot of time in your car and loves listening to music or taking calls on the go, today's video is for you. We're counting down the top 5 best car Bluetooth FM transmitters with chargers. These little gadgets not only provide excellent sound quality but also keep your devices charged while you're on the road. Let's dive in and find the perfect one for you. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Joyroom JR-CCB01 car Bluetooth FM transmitter with charger. The Joyroom JR-CCB01 car Bluetooth FM transmitter with charger offers an advanced solution for both in-car entertainment and convenience. With its intuitive features and modern design, it enhances the driving experience by combining high-quality audio and efficient charging capabilities. One of the standout features of this transmitter is its ability to deliver enhanced sound quality. With the simple press of a button, the bass sound effect can be activated, boosting the audio output for a richer and more immersive experience. The device also integrates hi-fi technology to ensure that the sound is clear and authentic, making it ideal for music lovers and those who appreciate high-quality audio. In addition to its audio performance, the transmitter is designed with hands-free functionality in mind. It includes dual microphones that support CVC noise reduction and echo cancellation, ensuring clear calls while driving. Users can easily answer, reject, or hang up calls without needing to touch their phone, providing a safer and more convenient way to stay connected on the road. Charging is made easy and efficient with the inclusion of 2 fast charging ports. The 48W fast charging capability supports PD 3.0 and QC 3.0 protocols, allowing you to charge 2 devices simultaneously at high speed. This makes it suitable for charging smartphones like iPhones, Samsung, Xiaomi, and Google devices, ensuring that you stay powered up throughout your journey. The transmitter also features Bluetooth 5.3 technology, providing faster, more stable, and secure connections. For additional flexibility, it supports playback via Bluetooth or AU disc, giving users multiple options for enjoying their music. To enhance visibility, the Joyroom transmitter includes a 7-color LED light bar, which can be turned off if preferred. It also has an LED display that automatically detects the car's voltage, providing useful information at a glance. With its broad compatibility, the transmitter works with 12V 24V cigarette lighters and is compatible with 99% of smartphones, ensuring versatility in various vehicles. Equipped with multiple safety protections, including overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating, and short-circuit safeguards, the Joyroom JR-CCB01 ensures a secure and worry-free driving experience. Coming in at number 4, we have the Mijia car Bluetooth FM transmitter with charger. The Mijia car Bluetooth FM transmitter with charger is designed to enhance your driving experience with advanced features and seamless connectivity. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3 technology, this transmitter ensures stable, high-quality audio and hands-free calls, making it an ideal solution for safer and more enjoyable journeys. One of the standout features of this device is its super-fast charging capability. The dual USB ports provide up to 22.5 W of power, with support for PD 30W, allowing you to charge your devices quickly while on the go. Whether you're using your phone for navigation or entertainment, you'll appreciate the speed and convenience of these charging options. Connectivity options are versatile, making it easy to stream music from various sources. You can enjoy your favorite tunes through Bluetooth, U-disc, or aux, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. This flexibility means you can use the transmitter no matter your audio preferences. Safety is also a top priority with the Mijia car Bluetooth FM transmitter. It comes with multiple protection features, including safeguards against overcurrent, overcharge, overtemperature, and anti-combustion. These measures help to ensure your device and vehicle are protected during use, offering peace of mind while driving. To add a touch of ambiance to your car, the transmitter is equipped with 7+1 modes of colorful atmosphere lighting. This feature enhances the mood of your commute, creating a romantic and dynamic atmosphere as you drive. Overall, the Mijia car Bluetooth FM transmitter with charger combines convenience, safety, and style to elevate your driving experience, making it a must-have accessory for anyone looking to upgrade their in-car entertainment setup. At number 3, the Victsing car Bluetooth FM transmitter with charger. The Victsing car Bluetooth FM transmitter with charger offers a versatile and user-friendly solution for music streaming and charging needs while driving. This device allows you to play your favorite tracks by inserting a USB flash drive into the blue USB port, delivering a high-quality sound experience. It also supports music streaming from Bluetooth-enabled devices like smartphones, tablets, and iPods, ensuring a clear and stereo sound that enhances your auditory experience. Equipped with two USB ports, this FM transmitter enables you to charge multiple devices at the same time. The Quick Charge 3.0 port provides fast charging, delivering up to 4 times faster charging speeds than standard chargers. Compatible devices can reach 80% charge in just 35 minutes. The second USB port serves a dual purpose, functioning both as a charging port and AU disc port for additional music playback. The device also features a high-performance microphone with CVC, clear voice capture, noise suppression technology for crystal clear hands-free calling. With one-touch controls for answering, redialing, and ending calls, it provides a safe and convenient way to make calls while driving. It is compatible with all Bluetooth-enabled devices and fits most cars and trucks. Adding to its appeal, the FM transmitter comes with a customizable RGB LED strip that offers 7 different color options, including red, green, blue, and more. This LED backlight adds an aesthetic touch to your car's interior, while also making it easier to operate the device during nighttime driving. An integrated LED voltmeter keeps you informed about your car's battery health, allowing you to monitor your vehicle's condition. For safety, the device is built with overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, intelligent temperature control, and short-circuit protection, ensuring reliable and secure operation while on the road. In the second spot, we have the Baseus Car Bluetooth FM transmitter with charger. The Baseus Car Bluetooth FM transmitter with charger is an ideal solution for those looking to enhance their in-car audio experience with minimal hassle. This device offers a super easy operation that takes just 3 simple steps to set up, making it convenient for anyone to use. Whether you're on a road trip or just commuting, this transmitter ensures you enjoy a seamless audio experience. The Baseus S9 Lite series is equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology, which significantly improves the response time and stability compared to previous versions. This means you can expect faster pairing and a more reliable connection during your drive. With this upgrade, you can enjoy a smoother experience, whether you're streaming music or taking calls. One of the standout features of the Baseus FM transmitter is its hi-fi playback capability. It supports premium sound quality, ensuring you can enjoy your music in lossless quality. Whether you connect via Bluetooth or use a flash drive, the sound remains crisp and clear, elevating your in-car entertainment to new levels. This device provides a high-quality audio solution for music lovers, ensuring that you never have to compromise on sound during your drives. With its sleek design and advanced features, the Baseus Car Bluetooth FM transmitter with charger combines style and functionality, providing a modern upgrade to your vehicle's audio system. Whether you're looking to stream music or simply charge your devices while on the go, this product offers a versatile and reliable solution for a wide range of needs. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lencent BC87 Car Bluetooth FM transmitter with charger. The Lencent BC87 Car Bluetooth FM transmitter with charger offers a sleek and powerful upgrade for your car's audio system. Powered by Bluetooth 5.3 technology, it ensures faster and more stable connections, intelligently reconnecting to the last paired device for a hassle-free experience. The transmitter is designed with an optimized antenna and signal, delivering extremely low latency for clear calls and smooth music playback. Music enthusiasts will appreciate the hi-fi sound quality, with the option to switch to bass mode for deeper, more immersive audio. This easy toggle transforms your listening experience, making it perfect for those who value high-quality sound in their car. Equipped with a PD30W and QC 3.0 fast charger, the Lencent BC87 can quickly charge devices like iPhones, providing up to 85% charge in just 30 minutes. It also features smart charge monitoring to prevent issues like overload and short circuits, ensuring your devices stay safe while charging. For hands-free calling, the transmitter comes with dual microphones that capture sound from all directions. It utilizes advanced CV8.0 noise reduction and DSP technology to eliminate background noise, making your conversations clear. The one-touch button for answering, redialing, hanging up, or rejecting calls adds convenience, while Siri and Google Assistant support enhance your navigation and voice control options. Compact and unobtrusive, the Lencent BC87 doesn't block any other buttons in your car. Its physical buttons are easy to press, and colorful breathing lights add a fun, customizable touch. When focusing on driving, you can simply turn off the lights with a single press, creating a distraction-free environment. This FM transmitter combines practicality, performance, and style, making it a perfect addition to your car.